I felt like a complete and total failure.
I felt like I was in a room that was black and filled up with smoke that I could not breathe.
I felt like this huge charity case.
It was like I was suffocated down here.
You know, you're not going anywhere. It just circles.
5 years ago, I became ill with a pain condition, and it rendered me unable to work. Here I had gone to school, I had gone to college. I have 4 college degrees, 2 bachelor's and 2 master's degrees, and I had prepared so that I could be a good mother. We were very baffled by why that had happened to us, why our children had ended up with 2 parents who were unable to work. And we really, really struggled with how we were going to handle things. But we had to reach out to organizations to help. There was absolutely no way that we could do everything ourselves. I found NSO, and that has been an answer to a prayer.
This isn't just a way to hand out something to people. It's really a very significant way in which we're able to extend to them a hand and offer them a hand up.
The Neighborhood Service Organization has a complete it's the total dental package that you can get when you go to high-priced dental clinics.
But she didn't have insurance, couldn't afford a lot of things. And we slowly rebuilt her mouth and her smile and her confidence.
I have always been treated with the utmost of respect. They do not treat me like I'm there paying just a little bit for the service.
We provide dental services for anyone who wants to come in.
And that's what we try to accomplish here at NSO, is to make sure that both the patients and ourselves are happy with the finished project.
It's the most wonderful feeling when somebody walks out of here and they hug you and go, "You gave me my smile back." You know, it's the most amazing feeling.
When I was like real young, my mom gave her rights for me, so I went to DHS. I was at my last boys group home and I was about to age out, so I had no place to go. So this was my next step.
Residents like Josh, you know, come in a very hard state in their life where they don't have anywhere to stay, no one to talk to, nowhere to even go.
He just wanted the opportunity to excel. He just wanted the opportunity to have a place to stay, get back on his feet so he could stay in school, so he could get a job.
I think NSO is a good place to start from. They help you get on your feet and show you how to live and being an adult, and teach you how to make it on your own.
I could see that Josh wanted to become better. He got in college, attended OSU OKC, and I was able to get a job at Walmart, where he's still employed today.
I'm here to, to get my life started, figure out who I am, what I want out of life, and go after it.
And he wants to have the structure that he needs.
And with, if I wouldn't be here, I would probably be on the street somewhere. That's it, no place to live, just another body.
Really, I had a really bad bring up. My parents didn't have no morals, no standards, didn't teach nothing. So basically, I was left out to fend for myself and learn how to live, and just grew up without stability.
She had had many barriers in her life that were there before as she was growing up, through her parents' own, their personal issues.
I tried very hard to not do what my mother did, which is didn't care if we went to school, didn't care if we had clean clothes or food on the table.
And we can provide an amazing place for these women and children to live, somewhere where it can be the safe, quiet environment that women like Francesca dreamed of.
We're providing them a place where they can live and receive the necessities of life and have a place that they can call home until they can get themselves into a job and on their way to independent living.
I mean, we have a home to come home to now, It's our home. We're going home to our home, a nice, quiet, safe environment.
They have more freedom. They have a place to call their own. That's huge, that's big, and that means a lot to these children.
This opportunity is a blessing from above. Thank you so much for this opportunity to be able to get up on my feet and have a nice, quiet environment to live in and take care of my family.
We're able to give the children a living example of what they can do differently by watching their parents succeed.
From the time we emerge from our mother's womb, we seek a home that is secure, nurturing, and renewing. For many, that quest is brutally interrupted by abuse, neglect, broken health, and poverty. At NSO, we help them find their way home.